To create a membership on YouTube Music, start by opening the App Store on your device. Navigate to the search bar by clicking on the search button, typically found at the bottom row alongside other options like Today and Arcade. Type in YouTube Music in the search bar and select the app from the search results. Download the app. Then exit the App Store and locate the newly installed YouTube Music app on your device. Open the app and log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the first letter of your username in the top right corner. To upgrade to a YouTube Music Premium membership, click on the Upgrade option at the bottom row, alongside other options like Home, Search, and Library. If you're prompted with a message stating that purchases are not available in your region, you'll need to visit the YouTube website to complete the membership sign-up process. Click on the provided button to proceed with the membership creation.